Just going to do a very quick unboxing of this Pioneer. It's a VREC-150MD, and it is a dash cam with an additional rear view camera that can mount in a number of places, and you can also use that as a reversing camera. Just touch the screen. This clips over your normal interior mirror. You can touch the screen somewhere and it will switch to that rear view. Cameras are full HD, 1080. Don't know what the resolution of the actual screen on this is, but I thought we'd have a quick look. Maximum card size is 64 gig, so we've got one of those as well. I assume Pioneer sold out, and it's probably a license agreement for somebody to produce this particular thing. Okay, so we have a warranty certificate with a stuck-on serial number, and we have a fold-out instruction guide. I'm not going to concentrate too much on that, I just thought we'd have a look at the contents really. So this is the main camera, the main body. You have got the normal dash cam on the front here, which can swivel around slightly to take care of the various positions this mirror might be in. On the top we've got SD card. I'm not sure what the middle one is. Oh, it's AV in, strangely. Oh, well, that'll be for the other camera, and a USB. A couple of rubber grips on there, and then I'm sure in the box there's a couple of elastic straps that will go over your current mirror, and we've got an on-off button. Looks like a reset button just next to it. Now this is going to have a coating on it. Is it a very good rear view mirror? Actually, yeah, it looks pretty good. I don't know whether you can see that. So no problems with it not being a good mirror. So that's the main unit. And we've then got a few bits and pieces. We have a sticky pad and 2 screws. This is going to be for the little camera here. It's supposed to be waterproof. I'll be looking at a number of mounting positions. I don't need it as a rear view camera particularly, but I do need it as a reversing camera. So that is on a mile of cable. We've got to make a power connection somewhere, I guess. Quite sure how we're going to do that, and then that clearly just plugs in the top of the unit in there. We've got 2 silicone rubber straps to hold it onto your existing rear view mirror, and then we have another. What we've got here, what's going on? I forgot. Okay, not quite sure. Oh, unless this is an extension piece. Yeah, I think it might be an extension piece, because these have got push fit terminals which will definitely go together, and that is exactly what we've got on the cable here. So it could well be that it's to add some length to that. So in here we will have more cables. We have a USB cable, as you'd expect, and we have the cigarette lighter lead there. So yeah, over the coming days we're going to get this fitted and tested, and we'll see whether it can really be trusted to replace the normal rear view mirror, and whether the dash cam side is any good or not. I did look at quite a few of these and they all seem to have pretty poor results, especially with screen resolution and some lag and that sort of thing. So yeah, we'll get that installed and see how we go.